So there are two ways to open up the menu on your LG TV. So if you have your remote like this one here, what you want to do is come to this button right here, this button where my thumb is, where you have the wheel, and you want to press and hold it. So if I press and hold it like this, it's going to open up that menu that you see over there. And on this menu, you can find your picture settings, your sound settings, your general, and also your support settings. So you can choose the settings that you want, but now they're open. And then another way you can open your settings is you come back to the same button here. You just press it once. And then you'll see on the side there will be all these selections here. So you have your picture mode, your sound mode, sound out, game optimizer, sleep, network, OLED, care. And then right at the bottom, you'll see, right at the bottom there, you see there's all settings. And then you want to go and click on that. And then that's going to open up again all settings like we did the first time. So it's up to you depending with how you want to do it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.